Sure. Here's an 800-word script on the 2025 Corvette Zora, beginning as requested. Welcome to Scout Automobile. We're glad to have you back, and today we've got something extraordinary to talk about. Something that's been whispered in enthusiast circles for years and is finally taking shape. It's bold, it's fast, it's futuristic. It's the 2025 Corvette Zora. For decades, the name Zora has been sacred to Corvette fans. Named after Zora Arkus-Duntov, the legendary GM engineer who pushed the Corvette to become a real performance machine. The Zora is meant to be the culmination of everything Chevrolet has been building toward for the past 70 years. And now, that vision is finally hitting the road in 2025. The Corvette Zora isn't just another performance trim or limited edition package. This car is a statement that Chevrolet is ready to play at the very top of the hypercar game. The Zora is expected to be the most powerful and advanced Corvette ever produced, and early information suggests it will be a hybrid monster, blending raw internal combustion with cutting-edge electric technology. At its heart lies the same 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 found in the Corvette Z06. That engine alone pumps out 670 horsepower, naturally aspirated. But for the Zora, that's just the beginning. Chevrolet is reportedly adding an electric motor to the front axle, creating a sophisticated all-wheel drive hybrid system. Combined output? Rumors are pointing to a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 horsepower in a Corvette. This puts the Zora into a very rare class of road-going hypercars, rubbing shoulders with names like the Ferrari SF90 Straight L and the McLaren P1. But Chevy being Chevy, they're aiming to deliver all of this at a fraction of the price. If the early estimates are accurate, the Zora could start around $150,000 to $200,000. That's not cheap, but it's shockingly affordable for what it offers. Now let's talk performance. With an all-wheel drive layout and electric torque instantly available, the Zora is expected to sprint from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. Some insiders believe it could dip closer to 2.0 seconds flat under ideal conditions. That's blistering fast, faster than nearly anything short of a dedicated drag racer. Top speed is expected to exceed 220 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest road cars ever produced by an American manufacturer. And this isn't just about straight-line speed. With magnetic ride control, advanced aerodynamics, active spoilers, and torquey vectoring, the Zora promises cornering performance that rivals the best from Europe. Design-wise, the Zora takes inspiration from the C8 Corvette, but adds a more aggressive and futuristic twist. Expect larger air intakes, a wider stance, a more pronounced rear diffuser, and a carbon fiber-heavy exterior. Every detail is designed not just for looks, but for performance. Aerodynamic efficiency, cooling, and downforce are the priorities here. Inside, the Zora will maintain the fighter jet-inspired cockpit of the standard C8, but will elevate it with exclusive trim, materials, and technology. Expect premium carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather everywhere. The digital display will likely offer a hybrid-specific interface, letting the driver monitor battery status, energy flow, and power delivery in real time. Now let's talk about the hybrid system. While GM has been tight-lipped about the technical specs, it's likely to use a small battery pack mounted low in the chassis, paired with one or possibly two electric motors on the front axle. This setup provides several advantages. First, it enables torque vectoring, which dramatically improves handling and grip. Second, it offers instant torque at any speed, helping the Zora launch like a rocket. And third, it allows for brief periods of electric-only driving, though don't expect much range. This is a performance hybrid, not a plug-in commuter. But don't think this hybrid Corvette is going soft. Everything about the Zora screams performance. The exhaust will still deliver the V8 roar enthusiasts crave, and the hybrid system is tuned for maximum performance, not efficiency. This isn't about saving gas. It's about going faster than ever before. The chassis will be heavily reinforced to handle the extra power and weight. Expect a modified version of the aluminum space frame, used in the C8, optimized for stiffness and weight distribution. Carbon ceramic brakes, sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires, and massive carbon aero elements will all be standard. Production of the Zora is expected to be limited, though not quite to the ultra-low levels of European hypercars. Chevy wants to make this car special, but also accessible to serious enthusiasts. It may not be a 1 of 500 type car, but don't expect to see one on every street corner either. So what does the Zora mean for the future of Corvette? It marks a major shift. It shows that Chevy is willing to evolve, to embrace new technology, and to compete on a truly global stage. This car isn't just a swan song for the internal combustion era. It's a bridge into the next generation of performance, where electric motors and gas engines work together to deliver unprecedented results. In short, the 2025 Corvette Zora is shaping up to be a landmark moment not just for Chevrolet, but for American performance cars as a whole. It's fast, futuristic, and fearlessly ambitious. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives, reviews, and updates from the world of performance cars. This is Scout Automobile. See you in the next one.